Dear husband, I am happy and fortunate to be in the beautiful city of Agra in India, knowing this beautiful monument. I found myself at the entrance of the grand window, appreciating the four high towers of the Taj Mahal. It's a beautiful Mughal architecture built in white marble entities, universals known as the monuments to Lord Taj Mahal means that to crown palace is the magical to be. Here, the rich is almost obtrusive. There are many people who come to visit this place are the children. Has all of us fun. We feel fortunate to appreciate this wonder. I am wearing a printed black jeans and tennis to be more comfortable. And no, every corner of this weather.